I have a Next.js server running on my local host on port 3000 that I want to showcase to my friend who is in another country. It's simple with Pinggy.io. Visit Pinggy.io. Just enter your port number here and copy the command. Open your command prompt on Windows or terminal on Linux and Mac and paste the command. Press Yes and then press Enter to continue. If you are asked for a password, simply press the Enter key. The tunnel will be created. You can scan this QR code on your phone or simply copy the link below and share it with your friend. Now they'll be able to see what's on your localhost port 3000. In the command prompt or terminal, you will be able to see the logs of all the requests that are coming through the Pinggy tunnel. You can also go to the web debugger URL, localhost:4300 in your browser. There, you will find all the HTTP requests, responses, and all the details required to monitor and debug our application. Log into dashboard.pinggy.io to find more options, such as automatically restarting tunnels if they disconnect, authentication, etc. Tunnels to localhost have never been simpler. Try Pinggy.io.